Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. Today I have created 3 mini blooms on canvases. I really enjoyed creating these pieces for you. I used up a lot of my old leftover paint. I shouldn't say old because it really wasn't that old. My paints are acrylic paints, all mixed with floetrol, 3 parts floetrol to 1 part paint. There is no special bloom recipe required here, and I get absolutely beautiful results. So don't feel like you need to go out and buy extra supplies in order to create beautiful blooms, because you really don't. I do use Australian floetrol for the bloom effect. 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. But you can use any color of titanium or any color of Amsterdam paint. I find works the best. I do have a couple of videos out where I test other paint brands with Australian floetrol to see which ones work the best. I will have a card linked in this video to direct you to those videos. Okay, so I am going to throw on some music. I really hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well as the thumbs up. And be sure to stick around to the end because I have a special message for you that I would really love for you to hear.
Sleep
Okay everyone, here we are with the close-up of all three pieces. I would love to hear down in the comments which piece is your favorite. Number 1, number 2, or number 3 in order as they're being shown here. So this would be number 1. I truly appreciate each and every one of you so very, very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos, as well as the thumbs up. And then of course, leave that comment down below on which one of these three pieces is your favorite. All right, everyone, have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.